Your hair is still relaxed. Hey, my hair is still relaxed. What happened now? That means your hair is damaged. Eh? So that's why my hair has not been growing. Hey, you better go natural. Are you serious? I am telling you, go natural. Once you go natural now, your hair will just return back to its healthy state. Okay, I beg, I'm even go. You don't believe? I'm gonna cut my hair now. I'm going natural. I'm going. Come and cut. Wait now. Hi, welcome once again to Strand Styles and Beauty channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 valid reasons to go natural. That's to have natural hair. Do stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and also give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on our Instagram handle at Strand Styles and Beauty, and also on Facebook Strand Styles and Beauty. I want to apologize for any background noise you hear from my daughter. You know, we are on Corona vacation and she's right here with me playing in the background, so do bear with me or with us. Person hair feel long like this. See hair. I dey go natural. I dey go natural. This is the most common mistake that people make about natural hair. Natural hair doesn't equal long hair. Rather, healthy hair equals long. So if you take proper care of your hair, whether it's natural, relaxed, texlax or texturized, your hair will be long at the end of the day. That means you must have a healthy hair routine to attain length. If our hair grows 0.5 inch to 1 inch, so the problem that African hair has is that, whether it's relaxed or any stage, is that we find it difficult to retain length without proper care, unlike the whites. So if you have a healthy hair regimen, take care of your hair properly, you will be able to retain that length in your strands, and you will have long hair at the end of the day. You just have to be patient and determined, and you will see results. Come first. Have you heard that using hair and cut her hair? That one that likes hair. Hey, because she wants to go natural. Imagine. Hey, me too. I am cutting my hair. I must go natural. Going natural is a personal decision. It's your choice. Don't go natural because a celebrity is going natural, or your mentor is going natural, your best friend or whatever. You have to do it on your own terms, because when it comes to taking care of your hair, it's not another person that will do it. It all depends. In my opinion, natural hair requires more effort from you to take care of your hair, to take care of it, compared to relaxed hair. Probably because of its texture, depending on your texture, at least from what people say, you know, it requires more technique. So if you are going natural, make sure you are sure and you have the right reasons to go natural. I'm tired. I'm just tired. See my hair, no edges again, no edges. Chop 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 chop. It's either I'm wearing cap or I'm wearing wig. I can't even open my hair in public again. I'm going natural. I'll just cut it and start all over again and refresh. Maybe the thing will now be full. Just no edges. I'm telling you. Let me come and be going. So some people go natural because they have bad edges and all that. Natural hair doesn't equal to healthy hair. Rather, proper hair care routine, hair regimen equals to healthy hair. So you can still have damaged hair if you go natural. That means you can have damaged natural hair. You know, you can still have chop and all that in your natural hair if you don't properly take care of it. So the main thing is to have a proper hair care routine, hair care regimen for your hair to be healthy and to be long. So this person has gone natural, and this person too. Hey, this one that all my friends are going natural. It's like what is trending. It's like me too, I'll go natural. Yeah. Now wow, it's fine though. I must go natural. I don't really understand why people are going natural simply because it's trending. What if tomorrow it stops trending? Yes, it can stop tomorrow, because earlier it was relaxed hair that was trending and all that, and everybody was retouching their hair, going relaxed. Now it's natural hair and you just keep going without knowing the due process on how to take care of your hair. In fact, before you even go natural, you have to find out if you can take care of your relaxed hair first. Have good reasons before you go natural. Natural hair requires, I don't know, it just requires more effort. If you are ready to put in more effort, then of course you can go natural. Nobody's stopping you, it's your choice. Your hair is still relaxed. Hey, my hair is still relaxed. What happened now? That means your hair is damaged. So that's why my hair has not been growing. Hey, you better go natural. Are you serious? I am telling you, go natural. Once you go natural now, your hair will just return back to its healthy state. Okay, I beg, I'm even go. You don't believe? I'm gonna cut my hair now. I'm going natural. I'm going. Come and cut. Wait now. Another common misconception people have about relaxed hair. Relaxed hair doesn't equal damaged hair. Rather, not taking care of your hair equals damaged hair. Not having a proper hair care routine equals damaged hair. There are so many girls, ladies that are relaxed, that have beautiful long hair, and that is why I went on my relaxed hair journey. But now on my natural hair, I have relaxed hair and you don't want to cut it or go natural and it's damaged, just learn how to take proper care of it and you see results. Of course, there is cutting involved. You have to trim off the damaged ends, but you can always grow them back, retain length with the proper hair care. Don't let anybody deceive you that relaxed hair is equals to damaged hair. No, it's totally false. Those are the 5 bad reasons we have for going natural. You shouldn't go natural because of these reasons. Rather, you do it for the good. So we should learn how to promote healthy hair, not just natural hair, but healthy natural hair, healthy relaxed hair, team healthy hair. That's what I stand for, not team natural, team relaxed or whatever. Team healthy. I didn't say going natural is bad. What I mean is that if you are going natural, you should do it for the right reasons, and I will discuss that in my next video. See you there. Do take care. Bye.